Ring mapped tiles, part 2. Let's check out shader source 6. Nothing there. Wonder why. Because we haven't written that code yet. But we're going to clean up some loose ends here first. In top level constant macros, we've added the section divide tiles into 34 sections. And these are the number of discrete units in our different powers of 2 tile. Our smallest tile and then our largest tile. We're dividing it by 34, we're flooring it, and then we're putting the value in here. And then we're also checking to make absolutely sure that everything went in evenly. We've also moved this section, right, the ring mapping array section, we moved it beneath this section because they're related pieces of information. So I thought putting them next to each other made sense. In the top level lookup table section, we have added this lookup table. It takes the tile size exponent and converts it to that D34 value. We're going to use this lookup table in our shader in the next video. We've turned on the use ring mapping feature, and that's why we see absolutely nothing here. In the shader lookup table section, we've also added a section called divide tiles into 34 sections, and here's all of our we just remade the table, right? So this is the GPU version of this lookup table. That's all we did. So here's where the use ring mapping feature is, and there's nothing here. That's why we're not seeing anything. So previously we were using this with the ring mapping feature off, and now we need to add the code for this. We'll do it in the next video. Here's what we did previously, and this diagram in this section is completely wrong. It was a rough draft of what I thought the ring mapping would be, but it is wrong. And this section right here is the correct diagram for what we're going to do, and here's what we did in this video. We got to get out of here. If you want a longer description, go to this video. You have been on this playlist here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.